You reach a point where customer details start to scatter. Some are in emails, some in notes, and some just slip away. And then you realize you need a system, not a complicated one, but something that actually keeps things together. So today, we are walking through 5 open source CRM tools you can use, and not just features. We will talk about how they fit into your daily workflow and what you should expect when you rely on them. Let's get started. So let's begin with Odoo CRM. When you open Odoo, it does not feel like just a CRM. It feels like a full business system, and that is because it is. CRM Year sits right in the center of everything. So your leads, your sales, your inventory, your accounting, all of it connects. So if you receive a lead from your website, it comes into your pipeline. You open it, and then you see everything in one place. Emails, notes, attachments, and then from that same screen, you create a quotation. No switching tabs, no copy-paste. And the pipeline view here is very visual. You see stages as columns, deals as cards, and you drag them across as things progress. So at any moment, you know where your business stands. Also, Odoo checks your lead data quality. If something is missing or incorrect, it highlights that, so you fix it early, and that improves your chances of closing. Then there's inventory. If you sell products, this part becomes important. You see what is available, what is reserved, and what needs restocking. And it doesn't feel separate. It feels connected to your deals. But then we have to be honest here. This level of connection also brings complexity. Customization is not always simple. And also, since everything is tied together, it needs more server resources. Still, if you want one system that handles almost everything, Odoo gives you that. Now let's move to Krayin CRM. This one feels very different. It is newer and also built on Laravel, so if you or your team work with PHP, this becomes very flexible. When you open Krayin, it feels simple. Clean dashboard, lead pipeline, and easy navigation, so you can create leads, move them through stages, and customize fields without too much effort. And that part matters, because every business has slightly different data, so unlimited custom fields means you shape the CRM around your process, not the other way around. And there's also something interesting, features like AI-based lead import. You upload a file and it extracts data to create leads, so it saves time in real situations. So Krayin works best if you like flexibility and you're okay exploring a bit on your own. Now we come to SuiteCRM. This one has been around for a while and it has a strong community, so right away you feel that stability. When you start using it, you notice how customizable it is. You can adjust layouts, create modules, and design your own workflow without heavy coding. And also, there are no user limits, so if your team grows, you're not worrying about licensing costs. The dashboard here is also useful. You track sales, monitor performance, and get insights in real time. But there are some trade-offs. The interface can feel a bit outdated, and when your database grows large, performance can slow down. Still, if you want a mature open-source CRM with strong flexibility, this is a solid option. Now let's talk about Vtiger CRM. This one tries to balance features and usability, so when you open it, you see sales, marketing, and support all in one place. You capture leads, assign them to team members, and track communication through email, SMS, or even calls, and everything stays linked to the same contact record. And one feature that feels very practical is engagement tracking. You know when someone opens your email or responds, so your follow-up becomes more timely. Also, the one view system is useful. You see contacts, deals, and organization data together, so you don't jump between sections. And recently, Vtiger has been moving into AI as well. Things like meeting summaries, email suggestions, and deal predictions. And this can run on local models, which helps if you care about data privacy. But again, not everything is perfect. Navigation can feel a bit clunky at times, and performance can drop with large data sets. So this one fits well if you want a balanced tool with a mix of automation and communication features. Last on the list is 20CRM. 20 is a newer type of CRM software that people like because it is very simple and looks very clean. It was made for small companies that need a fast way to keep track of customers, see their sales, and handle basic tasks without having to learn a bunch of hard programs. Most CRM programs are messy and hard to use, but 20 CRM stays focused on being easy and clear while still giving you the main tools you need. If you look at the screen, you can see it is very easy to understand, even if you have never used a sales tool before. Small shops can set everything up fast, put in their customer lists, and start finding new deals with very little work. The software shows you a clear path for your sales so you can see where your money is, give jobs to employees, and talk to your clients on time. Keeping your data safe is something 20 CRM does very well. It uses special coding to hide your information and double-checks your login to make sure your private customer details stay private. Because the code is open for everyone, a business can change how the software works or link it to other apps they already use. So there you have it, 5 best open source CRM for small businesses and startups. And from here, what you can do is pick one, install it, and try your real workflow inside it. That was all. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more videos. And don't forget to share your experience in the comments.